Elders Corner.
My people, welcome to Elders Corner TV News today. And me, Elder 101, I want to talk the news. Before we go into the news, make I give una the news headlamp. Kidnapping techniques where upcoming kidnappers they use for Benin. Now, make we go to the news in details. This thing where I want to talk now, it don't happen for late last year, but I want to bring out some lesson from inside. Now make me they talk this news. You get one man when you get one crime where happen where one man they kill one man, kidnap and kill him. Now so your wife can go report for police, said he no see her husband again. So now police come begin find people where doing. So early this year now police can discover. Say now 4 teenagers now they do the thing. Where they come they ask them how what happen, how they take do them. They come talk say them upcoming kidnappers. You know say you get kidnappers will be but as in strong kidnappers will get experience for the matter. Then many of them they join the business. You know say for Benin and other part of Nigeria, many people when no get work, when no get job, now then they come they do all this kind of thing. The boys then come talk say as they be upcoming kidnappers, they no fit just go person house, go carry them or catch person for road, begin shoot, carry the person, say their own. If they see they fear small. So what they do be say na street that they go just day for lonely place towards evening. They can't dey there inside motor, they wait for the person where they want kidnap. So as the person just drive come outside, they can't follow on with the car where they carry, can't hit her for back. When I know say for driving law, person will hit you for back, now in they wrong. So they say as the man now where die, so they hit him motor for back. The man come out, say why you hit me? Why you hit me? As they argue, say why you hit me? Now they come outside, come bring a gun, come say make it going back inside the motor. Although some of them they say now some of them are toy gun that they use. But you where they listen to this, no try they go check whether they are gun na toy. So now so they can't tell the man say go back inside your motor. Now so they can't carry on with the motor, can't come out. When they reach where they go, they can't search the motor, search the man, only 5,000 naira now they see. They can't collect the man ATM, the man give them PIN, they can't go bank. When they reach there, they put a see say the man get balance of 1.6 million. For their mind, they go fit share and like 400,000 each. Now they can say okay, make a quick withdraw. No, if they share 400,000, their leader go can't get bigger one. So they can say okay, make we withdraw. As they withdraw reach 150, card no dispense again. They come they worry. They go another bank, no pay. Then they come back to the man. Now they contact the man say you get so money for account, and you know what me we chop abi. Now the man say no before to send at the bank. Now so it be say na daily limit they don't reach so. Now they say what be daily limit because the thing pain they be like somebody where don't see promised land. Then enough enter. Or all these boys where they do waka anyhow, waka come carry woman, girl, fine girl, they won't carry and come inside their house, the girl come visit them. As the girl just they want start something now, a mama go call her for phone, say come back, the girl come carry herself, come out. You know, this kind of thing, they pain some of all those kind of boys. You know how it be now, you understand? Now so, the concern say, why we go don't see 1.6 million for your account? No only 150 for collect. As the man they try to explain, now in their oga converse, collect knife, stab all the back, push him inside the Kuba River. Now so the man take go. As we speak, they no see the man. Now the lesson from inside this story, where happen be say, no be everywhere where you dey, where they go hit your motor for back, you go stop. You know where if you dey up pipe, they hit your motor for back, no stop. If you do go outside, they hit your motor for back, for all those inside street, no stop. Any other part of Nigeria, because this upcoming kidnappers, they say na so that they use of even for nature, any part of the place, any part where they kidnap, any person hit you for back, just know say na upcoming kidnappers, na there they do. So no stop. That be the first advice. Second advice be say, if you get money where you get, where you dey save, no get ATM card for that account. Get 2 accounts. The one wey get ATM card, make you no put more than 100,000 inside. Because if to say na 100,000 they see for the account, they can't fit withdraw and finish, they for no kill that man. So now this is now we see, now we can talk, say no, it good make we can talk, and so that people go get 1 or 2 lessons from inside. Because the one way the Nigeria is hard, Africa hard, the world don't hard now. The small one way they make, enemy no go collect them from you, but it good make you wise, so that you know you go things go dey better for you. My people, now so the news reach today, and na me Edda101 they talk the news. Make we now go Edda's dictionary. Must we to talk say the kind clap where they clap for him last night, no be clap of victory. He say na that kind clap na he kill him mama. If you smart, you go know the meaning of what I just talk now. Now so our news reach. Make una try follow us for Instagram, follow us for Facebook, subscribe to this channel now so that you go dey receive our news update as they drop. We see there for Twitter. My people, I thank una Samate dey there. I don't come out. News today. Make I go bring am.
Elders Corner.